Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus Pad Go and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application or application which support long screenshot, something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time and tap on scroll. In it, we can scroll our screenshot and adding more information to our long screenshot. When we have all we need, we press done and we can save it in our gallery. After processing, we have our long screenshot which is saved. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.